Important updates. Hello oFounder. Dear oFounders. To all our great founders. I believe you are all having a great week. This is an early morning announcement and it's very urgent. All registered GoFounders accounts that have not been paid for will be flushed out in just a few days from now. No more founders allowed when we smashed 1 million, and this could happen next week. Onpassive launch starts this Friday with the tour. No more time again. We are now there. God bless you. Please pay attention. Greetings to all Onpassive proud founders of this group. Please note the following points. 1. Please password protect the mail, Gmail that is used in GoFounders, as it will play the most important role when oFounders is launched and forever. If it's lost, please try to recover it now, before oFounders arrive, for your own safety. 2. Those founders who have opened their Gmail and GoFounders id in others' mobile system, they should collect all the information, i.e. Gmail's password, GoFounders password, individually and save it before launching. oFounders should be kept safe in your custody. 3. If any founder wants to change anything in her GoFounders profile, i.e. name, mobile number, Gmail and password, etc., please do so before launching oFounders. 4. Likewise, all installers, please keep your GoFounders password safe, and if it is lost, please try to recover it before launching oFounders. 5. All founders, please insist on activation of pending founders registered but not paid before launching oFounders. Because newcomers are the most likely to remove all pending founders from the oFounders website. This is a quick one. Let it be known that henceforth nothing like an old account again, even if the account was dated as far back as 2018. In accordance with the information Ash Mufareh gave in the webinar before the last, he specifically mentioned that henceforth there is nothing like old account anymore, and that nobody should ask anyone to pay more than $102 to activate Onpassive GoFounders account, no matter the country. So in this regard, let us all follow these updates as new directives from our CEO and founder to the letter. We are so in it to win it. Join oFounders, the gateway to Onpassive, and deliver a turnkey business take your existing business to the next level. All the founders now keep getting updated by joining some webinar, certified YouTube, back office in the invaluable time left here. Thanks just for updating you all. Congratulations. Please subscribe, like and share this video with the ones you love.